What if the real power was in silence? What if becoming your best self meant going completely off the radar? No posts, no calls, no validation, just you, grinding in the shadows. Because here's the truth. Disappearing isn't retreating, it's evolving. And when you finally reappear, if you even do, no one will recognize you. Phase 1. How to disappear. The art of silence. Step 1. Close your mouth. Silence isn't weakness, it's strategy. The more you talk, the more you leak. From now on, your life is a vault. No updates, no oversharing. Not even with friends or family. Speak only when it adds value. The world doesn't need to know what you're building. Let them wonder. Step 2. Care only what you think. Most people move based on outside validation. That ends now. The only opinion that matters is the one you hold about yourself. Build a mental version of who you want to be and live up to that. You don't need praise. You need progress. Step 3. Guard your plans like treasure. Excitement makes us want to tell the world what we're doing. Don't. Every time you share your goals prematurely, you lose power. Think of your plan like a password to your future. Protect it. Only speak when it's absolutely necessary, and only to those who can directly help you. Step 4. Keep your wins private. Success in silence hits different. You're leveling up? Good. Don't broadcast it. Improved physique? Keep training. Made more money? Stay humble? New skills? Let your actions do the talking. The spotlight can wait. Right now, it's about momentum, not applause. Step 5. Struggle in the shadows. This journey will hurt. There'll be moments of exhaustion, failure, even tears. But that's part of the growth. Don't run to vent or complain. Bleed, sweat, and cry alone if you have to. Let your pain mold you, sharpen you. That's where real transformation begins. Phase 2. What to do in the shadows. The transformation process. Step 1. Choose your target. Don't just disappear for the sake of it. Disappear with intention. What are you trying to build? A strong body? A thriving business? A new identity? Be brutally specific. Write it down. Post it where only you can see it. Make it real. Step 2. Design your life around crushing it. Rebuild everything around your goal. Wake up with purpose. Time block your days. Move closer to your gym. Join the right classes. Commit to systems that support your growth. Treat every hour like it's a step toward that finish line. Step 3. Reprogram your mind. This new path will feel strange at first, but soon, the pain becomes familiar and even enjoyable. Your mind adapts. You start loving the grind, the stillness, the absence of validation. You become more in tune with your mission than ever before. And that's when you start winning on another level. Phase 3. Reappearance, or maybe not. Here's the twist. By the time the transformation is done, you may not even want to come back. You'll find peace in the shadows, power in silence, growth without the need for recognition. You'll become a mystery, focused, fulfilled, and dangerous in the best way. And if you do decide to reemerge, it won't be for validation. It'll be to dominate, because now you've become someone new, someone unstoppable. If you're ready to disappear, to rebuild, to return as the most focused, disciplined version of yourself, then start now. Leave your idea in the comments if you're about to go ghost. And don't forget to subscribe, because when you're ready to level up again, this channel will be waiting for you. Disappear, rebuild, re-emerge, or don't. Because real transformation speaks for itself.